Smartphone growth in India is exploding, and the campaign for a digital India is underway. People there are crazy about smartphones and consumer electronics, making India a key market for a global brand like Samsung. With the support of B2X, Samsung is continuously opening customer service plazas across India. One of these plazas, run by B2X, is in Ahmedabad. Here, customers receive service for all Samsung consumer electronics. The B2X managed Customer Service Plaza sets new standards in terms of customer care. If a customer needs help with a device, support experts are available at the walk-in service center. The aim is to solve issues on the spot directly in the store or get a repair done while they wait.
The Samsung Customer Service Plazas are the place where people can experience fast and seamless service. Our customer satisfaction has reached new record levels exceeding 90%, and we handle more than 25,000 service incidents each month across India.
Furthermore, well-trained support experts provide in-home repair for Samsung smart TVs and large household appliances. The goal for an in-home repair is just 48 hours from point of contact. Experts troubleshoot the issue during the call to ensure all the parts and tools are on hand to correctly repair a product during the first visit.
The Customer Service Plazas operated by B2X provide an outstanding service experience. B2X is one of Samsung's top 3 suppliers in India, and we are very proud to be a partner of choice.
B2X, the customer care company.